This is not just a motorcycle. It's a revolution in sport riding. Introducing the 2025 Aprilia RS 660, a fusion of cutting-edge Italian design and track-inspired aerodynamics. The RS 660 commands attention on the road and the racetrack. Equipped with a state-of-the-art TFT display, multiple ride modes, and Aprilia's advanced electronics package, you're always in control. Powered by a 659cc parallel twin engine, delivering a thrilling 100 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute and 67 nanometers of torque, this machine is built to dominate. With a 6-speed quick-shifter and slipper clutch, every shift is lightning fast, every ride is seamless. At just 183 kilograms, the lightweight chassis ensures razor-sharp handling, making every ride an electrifying experience. The 2025 Aprilia RS 660. Ride the future of sport bikes. If you're passionate about motorbikes and want the latest on new models, reviews, and all things motorcycles, subscribe to Airs Communication.